is going on, guys? It's RdnRacing. Welcome back to another YouTube video. And today we have got a Tomica Mainline Edition, the Ferrari F8 Tributo. And this is actually part of Takashimaya's 50th anniversary with Tomica, or is it Tomica's 50th anniversary? And they released a few special cars, and this was one of them. The other car being the FXX, and I will actually do an unboxing on that car soon. But for today, we're going to focus on this car. I don't really normally do mainlines, but the reason why I did this, and you guys will see in a bit, is that the color on this is amazing. So we're going to quickly unbox it. There was a plastic casing above, but I removed it earlier because I wanted to really see. I couldn't wait. And yeah, I'm going to show you exactly why I bought this car, and the only reason is the paint job on this. So there you go, the F8 Tributo, and we're going to do a quick walkthrough of the entire car. We're going to show you a little bit of the details, and then we'll dive right into it. So obviously, a Ferrari is a Ferrari. It looks amazing in red. It's the iconic red, and that's exactly what this car is. Now the wheels, guys, I don't know why mainline Tomicas have these very weird wheels. I think if they had normal wheels, it would have been so much better, but we are gonna try to ignore the wheels for a bit. Hopefully we're just gonna enjoy this car, because I think this car is worth the ugly wheels. So as you can see the little curves and feet details in the car, you can see the Ferrari logo at the front right fender right there, which is a very nice detail, very nice to see. Insanely amazing to have this. And if we move on to the front, we can see the headlights. Now guys, the headlights are all in silver. It's our color headlights, and the Ferrari logo as well. And then the front, we've got the aero ducts, the grills, as well as the front splitter, which is really nice to see. The attention to details. Obviously there's no side mirrors in this, unfortunate. And obviously you can see the interior of the car as well. Now move on to the left side of the vehicle, same thing as the right. Not much details in the car, unfortunately. It would have been cooler if there were more decals, right? I mean, it adds a lot of character to the car, but there isn't. Obviously the Ferrari logo at the front. Let's just ignore the wheels. I mean, the car is insane. It looks amazing, and it looks menacing. I'm not a huge Ferrari fan. I'm more of a Lamborghini guy, but I think this car, and future Ferraris, Lamborghinis are gonna look amazingly well. And now the rear, this is where it gets a little bit better. Obviously the headlights, the dual exhaust, and obviously if you look at the top, we can see the Ferrari decal right there, as well as the engine underneath the engine bay cover, which is always nice to see. The little attention to detail that Tomica and Hotwheels do nowadays, it's insane. It's immaculate. Obviously the front, the arrows, all the the places where the air passes through, and the front and the sides as well right there, which is really nice to see. And now we are gonna move on to the base quickly. Not much details in the base except for the the rear diffuser, but that's about it in terms of details in the base. Obviously you can see the made in Vietnam, the Tomica logo right there, a few other details here and there, very basic. And that's about it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. Now we're gonna do a few rolling shots, and I'll see you at the end. And we have about come to the end of the video. Now the one thing about this that's different is the suspension thing that they do. It's just really nice to see cars with suspensions. But yeah, guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys had an amazing time. I should have an amazing unboxing this vehicle. I think Ferraris are gonna go amazingly well in my collection. I don't have a lot of Ferraris in my collection. I think this and another 512M, if I'm not wrong. I'll put a link into that in the description below. But just like that, guys, I hope you guys had fun. I hope you guys had an amazing time. But just like this video is over, and I'm out. Bye.